Hi friends, this is Gopi Palla, and today we are going to discuss NCERT CBSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 2. The topic today is linear equations in one variable. Before going to the introduction of the chapter, first we'll go to the what is a variable. So how it is related to this topic. We'll see that what is variable. So the practical example with the practical example, if you correlate what is a variable, it is very easy to understand and it's very easy to remember. So the practical example here is if a school bag contains only 10 books and a student is having two types of books, one are 20 math books and other one is 10 science books. And how many combination of books can be kept in a bag? So this here means we have to first before solving the problem we'll try to write what is the given data. Here is the maximum books can be kept in a bag is maximum is 10 books. The with the number of books, math books that can be kept is, let us say, X books, and number of science books, let us say that Y books. So the as per the condition given in the problem, we should not exceed maximum 10 books. So the sum of math books plus science books should be equals to the 10. That is a condition we should fulfill as per the problem. So the x can means the variable here x is one variable which can take the values only from 0 to 10 numbers, because it cannot cross more than 10 as per the condition. Similarly, the y variable, which are science books, which which can take only values from 0 to 10 numbers. So that is the variable means that is a numerical value can be given to the y. So the answer here is the combination of books means here 0 maths books plus 10 science books, which obviously equals to 10, or 1 plus 9 is equals to 10, or 2 plus 8 is equals to 10, or 3 plus 7 is equals to 10, or 7 plus 3. There are different combinations of combinations are available. Here the notation here x and y is our variables which can take different values, and in order to fulfill the our problem objective of 10 maximum 10 books in a bag. So that is the value, that is the importance of variables x and y to define a problem. So now we'll go into the next version of what is the linear expressions, algebraic expressions. The any values which are expressed in a form of with a constant 5 or 1 to infinite numbers multiply with the x, y, z, whatever may be notation, that is called algebraic expressions. So 5x is one algebraic expression. Similarly 2x plus 3 and 3x plus 3 5, and these are the different algebraic expressions. So here our objective is to find out means how many variables in this each algebraic expressions. The first set is from the first two sets we can find out that only one variable, which is x, as per the previous example discussion. Similarly, the 3x plus y and 2xy plus 5, in this set of equations there are two variables x and y. So x is one variable, y and a second variable. So third one is x y z plus x plus y plus z. So here is three variables, and now we'll go to the what is algebraic equation. The name itself is denotes that algebraic equation means there is a equality, means equal symbol should be there in the algebraic expressions. So here, so if you write like two algebraic expressions like 5x and 25, if you connected by equal symbol is equals to, then that is called algebraic equation. And similarly it may be anything, 2x minus 3 is equals to 9. So here the notation you should remember is that should be connected with equality symbol, and these are called linear equations. Why these are called linear equations we'll going to see in the next slide. So what is linear expressions, first we'll see, then we'll go to linear equation. So linear expressions is the highest power of the variable. We know what is variables from the previous slide: x, y, z, or t, k, anything which takes different types of numbers in order to fulfill the objective, like our problem 10, maximum 10 in a bag. So the highest power of the variable appearing in the expression is 1. So the highest power means it should be either 0 or 1. It should not be more than 1. So the power here is 5x power of 0. So that is equals to 5 only, because x to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So 5 into 1 is equals to 5. Similarly, 5x to the power of 1. So here power is the 1, previous one 0. So these two are the powers of this one. So the expressions with this power 0 or 1 is called as linear expressions. Similarly, the non-linear expressions is the variables here. Variables are x. So variables power is greater than 1 is called uh, greater than 1 is called. So here x to 2x square x to the power of 2. So that is greater than, so that is non-linear expressions. So the difference between linear and non-linear expressions is only the power of variable. So next we'll go to the what is algebraic equation. So as we have already discussed, the equation should contain the equality symbol, which is connecting to algebraic expressions. So here 2x minus 3 is equals to 7, means this is connected by equality symbol, and these two are different algebraic expression. So we'll see that what is a variable here. So here variable is x, and because we have seen already in the from previous, x can take different types of values. It may be 0, 1, 2 to fulfill the 2x minus 3 is equals to 7. X can take any value. Similarly, the equality is the symbol which indicates the equation. So there are two parts here in this algebraic equation. The part which is on the left hand side is called left hand side, LHS short form, and the form which is on the right hand side is called RHS, and these should be equal. So the condition of algebraic equation is always, you should remember, is an equation, the values of expressions 2x minus 3 is one expression, 7 is the one expression, on LHS and RHS should be equal all the time. So that is the means condition of the algebraic equation. So the solution, how to solve, because we know that x will take different values, but what value of x the equation will be means satisfied. So for solving this equation of algebraic equation, there is steps are there. First step is we should eliminate the next to the variable, that constant, means here 3 is constant, the that should be eliminated, and we should show that there should be only remaining on any on one side, should be only a variable x. So how to get that x, we're going to see. So here from the 2x plus 3 left hand side, so and 7 on right hand side, if you add, because equation always there should be right hand side and left hand should be equal. So in order to maintain equality, what we should do is, in order to remove here minus 3, we should add plus 3, because then only minus 3 plus 3 it will get cancelled. So here the first step is, here is, in order to get x value, we should remove a minus 3. So in order to eliminate minus 3, we should add plus 3. So 2x minus 3 is equals to 2x minus 3 plus 3 is equals to 7 plus 3. So because the balance, because if we are adding here 3 left hand side, so right hand side also we should add 3, then only the equation will not be disturbed. So the here is 3 and 3 is now, here 3 and 3 is getting cancelled, and here we'll get 2x is equals to 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. So here now here 2x is equals to 10. What is our objective is, we should find out value of x only. So here, in order to get the x, here 2 is all present here. So in order to eliminate 2, this is 2 into x, so we should divide by 2 on both the sides, because that is equation. So 2x by 2 is equals to 10 by 2 is equals to x is equals to 5. That is the so for the value x, for x variable value is 5. How to check what are the steps you have done and what are the solution got is correct or not? We should check always. uh, we should substitute this x value in the equation whatever given for solving. So here 2x minus 3 substitute in place of x 5, and 2 into 5 minus 3 is equals to 10 minus 3 is equals to 7. And here the right hand side is already 7 is available here. So here 7, so the left hand side is equals to right hand side. So hence the value of x variable is equals to 5 is correct. So like this is the way of solving the algebraic equation. And we'll go to the exercise problems, and based on the previous example whatever we have studied now. So there is a equation is given in the first problem, is equals to 1 x minus 2 is equals to 7. So here this is a equation because here equality symbol is available, and here one expressions, here one expressions. So we know that, so there are two expressions are there. One is left hand side expression and right hand side expression. So our aim is always we should eliminate this constant value from the equation in order to get the x value. So how to eliminate? Here minus 2 is available. In order to eliminate minus 2, we can add, if you have minus 2 means you so if you add plus 2 means if you have minus 2 loss, if you add, if somebody is giving 2 rupees to you, so your means your debt or you need not pay any money, 0 you will get it. So but if you are adding here 2 on left hand side, right hand side also you have to add 2, then only equality of the equation will be maintained. So first step is add 2 on both sides in order to make the balance on both left hand side and right hand side. So here x minus 2 plus 2 is equals to 7 plus 2. So here obviously it will get cancelled, minus 2 minus 2. So with the step 2 will get is equals to x is equals to 9. So we will check whether whatever we got here x is equals to 9 is it correct or not. We'll just check it here. So we'll substitute x is equals to 2. We'll take the first left hand side part. X minus 2 is equals to, in place of x you will keep 9. 9 minus 2 is equals to 7. So the and right hand side 7 is already available. So the left hand side is equals to right hand side. So here 7, here 7. So here hence solution is correct. So we'll go to the second problem of the exercise 2.1. Here this is also same way. X plus 3 is equals to 10. There are two parts, left hand side, right hand side. And for our first step is we should eliminate the constant in order to get the value of variable y. So how do we do that? First step is we have to eliminate, in order to eliminate plus 3, we should subtract minus 3 from the both the sides. So x minus 3 and x plus 3 is equals to 10 minus 3. Here so y is equals to 10 minus 3 is equals to 7. So we'll check the same way. In place of y we'll substitute here 7 plus 3 is equals to 10, and right hand side already 10 is available. So left hand side is equals to right hand side, and solution is correct. We'll go to the third problem, which is 6 is equals to z plus 2. Here variable is here is z. Here we should eliminate. Here also there are two parts are there, left hand side and right hand side. Here we should in order to get the z value we should remove plus 2. Plus means we should eliminate, in order to eliminate we should add minus 2 on both the sides. So if we add subtract minus 2 on both the sides, we'll get 6 minus 2 is equals to z plus 2 minus 2. So 4 is equals to z. So z is equals to 4 is the answer. We'll check whether is it correct or not. Here left hand side is already 6. Right hand side in place of z will substitute 4. So 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. So left hand side is equals to right hand side, and solution is correct. So we'll go to the fourth problem. This is also similar way, but this is like fraction way it is given. So this is also whatever maybe the procedure is same. So here to left hand side, right hand side, in order to remove this 3 by 7, so we should subtract minus 3 by 7 on both the sides. And we know that how to do that LCM. 17 minus 3 by 7 is equals to 14 by 7 is equals to 2 is the answer. So we'll substitute these two here on left hand side. So in place of x you substitute 2, you'll get 17 by 7. Here also 17 by 7. So both our left hand side, right hand side are same, and solution is correct. Similarly, we are going to the fifth problem. So here 6x is equals to 2. Here also two parts are the left hand side and right hand side. Here means here we should get only x. So here 6 into x. In order to get 6x alone, we should divide by 6 on both the sides. So that only we are doing here. 6x by 6 is equals to 12 by 6, x is equals to 2. Then we'll substitute x value in left hand side. 6 into 2 is equals to 12, and right hand side 12, both are same, so solution is correct. So we are going to the sixth problem. T by 5 is equals to 10. This is also here left hand side, right hand side. Here in order to eliminate this 5 here, which is t by 5, it is division, so we should multiply by 5, then only we can eliminate 5. So t by 5 into 5 is equals to 10 into 5, because we should maintain the balance. So t is equals to 50, and if we substitute t here, we'll get left hand side 10, right hand side 10, so both are same, solution is correct. So the seventh problem, 2x by 3 is equals to 18, and here two parts, left hand side, right hand side. Here we'll do step by step. Okay, so here 2x by 3, first we'll eliminate 3. So in order to by 3, if you want to eliminate, you should multiply 3 on both the sides. So that is the step 1. So 2x by 3 into 3 is equals to 18 into 3. So here 3 and 3 get cancelled, and here 2x is equals to 18 into 3. So here again 2x means we want only x, so here 2 should be eliminated. So it is 2 into x, so we should divide it by 2 on both the sides. So after dividing that, 2 and 2 get cancelled, and the answer here is 2 here is x is equals to 27. We'll check same way like how we have did for a previous one. We'll take left hand side equation and we'll substitute x value, and we'll check whether right hand side, left hand side equal or not. So if it is equal, hence that is correct. So now we are going to the eighth problem. Here also there are two parts here, and in order to eliminate 1.5 divided by 1.5, we should multiply 1.5 on both the sides. So it will get cancelled, and so t is equals to 2.4. If you substitute, we'll take LHS is equals to 1.6 and RHS in place of 5, 2.4, and so 1.6 into 1.5, so both are same, and solution is correct. So next we'll go to the ninth problem. So here 7x minus 9 is equals to 16. So now we'll learn one new concept, means here up to LHS RHS is correct. We'll see that one new term is called transpose. Here you see means instead of adding opposite sign number on both the sides, if you add opposite sign number on the other side of equation, that is called transpose. Here 7x minus 9, here 9 has to be eliminated first. So means if you want to move this minus 9 from left hand side to right hand side, that is called transpose. So values will get changed. So minus 9, so minus positive from one side will go to the negative, and vice versa, and negative to positive if it is moving from negative to positive. And similarly multiplication on one side will go to the division on other side. So this is the transpose concept. We'll use this transpose concept for solving this equation, which is very simpler way. So transpose of minus 9 here from left hand side, it will move to the right hand side. So minus 9 will become plus 9. So 7x is equals to 16 plus 9. So 7x is equals to 25. So here 7 into, so this is multiplication of variable 7 into x. So we should eliminate 7, so we should divide using the transpose of 7. We should divide by 7. 7x by 7 means if you move from 7 multiplication into x, that side, left hand to right hand side, it will become multiplication will become division, so 25 by 7. So that is the answer. Checking is same like LHS RHS, we have to substitute the x value in the equation. We should check whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. That is the concept. So now we'll go into the 10th problem of exercise 2.1. So we'll apply the transpose concept here. 4y minus 8 is equals to 13, and here there are two parts are there. One is left hand side and right hand side, and the transpose, this you just remember, changing of sign from one side to other, minus to positive, and positive to negative, plus to minus, and minus to plus, and like similarly multiplication to the division or division to multiplication. So here here first step is minus 8 to that side, it will gives the value minus 8 to here is equals to 14y is equals to 13 minus 8. If you go to left hand side to right hand side, it will move to this side, it will become positive as per the transpose concept. So 14y is equals to 13 plus 8, so 14y is equals to 21. Similarly, here the next step is here 14y is equals to 21. So here 14 into y. So if you send 14, which is multiplication on left hand side, to the right hand side, it will become division, 21 by 14. So the value of here is equals to 7 into 3 by 7 by 2, 7 7 get cancelled, and 3 by 2, y is equals to 3 by 2. And the checking, we should substitute y on left hand side, and we should compare with the right hand side value. If both are same, that is solution is correct. Similarly, the 11th problem, here also we will use the same transpose concept. So here first we should eliminate 17, which is constant. So 17 positive, so from the left hand side to right hand side, so so it will become negative. So 6p is equals to 9 minus 17, 6p is equals to minus 8. So that is so here we should get the p variable value. So here 6 into multiplication will become, if you moving from left hand side to right hand side, so it will become division. So p is equals to minus 8 by 6, that is equals to 2 into 4 by 2 into 3. So p, the value 2 get cancelled, the y value here is minus 4 by 3. So the checking is here is we have to substitute value of p minus 4 by 3 in the left hand side equation, 17 plus 6p, and you should compare with the right hand side, and both are same, hence the solution is correct. So now exercise 2.1, the last question here is x by 3 plus 1 is equals to 7 by 15. Here what will first will use the transpose concept. So in the step 1, the transpose of plus 1 here is, we should eliminate this transpose of the, we should send LHS from LHS to RHS, so plus 1 will become minus 1. So the x by 3 is equals to 7 by 15 minus 1, x by 3 is equals to 7, means after doing the LCM for solving the equations, two fractions, so x by 3 is equals to minus 8 by 3, 15. So here the concept of transpose, here we should get the only value of x. So my division by 3, so we should send from the left hand side to right hand side. So the division by 3, if you moving from left hand side to right hand side, it will become multiplication as per the transpose concept. So x is equals to minus 8 by 15 into 3, so 3 into 3 5s are 15, so minus 8 by 5, x is equals to minus 8 by 5. So the value of x is equals to minus 8 by 5. So for checking of this answer or x variable value, we should substitute on left hand side, and we should check with the right hand side value. If both are same, the solution is correct. So thank you for watching my video. Please press the subscribe button below this video in order to subscribe my channel for future videos on CBSE class 6 to 10 mathematics. Thank you.